So, Apple is reportedly preparing for one of the biggest performance upgrades in iPhone history with the upcoming iPhone 18 series, powered by the all-new A20 chip. This next-generation processor is expected to redefine Apple's approach to chipset design, delivering unprecedented power, speed, and energy efficiency. According to trusted analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple has already begun development on the A20 chip for the iPhone 18 lineup. Up until now, the company has been relying on TSMC's integrated fan-out packaging technology, a method also recently adopted by Huawei. However, Apple seems ready to move on to something far more advanced. For the A20, the company is shifting toward a new and innovative technique known as wafer-level multi-chip module packaging. So what makes this such a big change? Unlike traditional methods, WLCM allows Apple to integrate multiple key components such as the CPU, NPU, memory, and even cache layers directly on the same wafer surface. This tight integration drastically reduces communication gaps between the components, making the entire system more responsive and efficient. Combined with TSMC's 2nm fabrication process, the A20 is expected to deliver significantly faster performance while consuming less power than any previous Apple silicon. In practice, this means users can expect blazing fast performance during demanding tasks like gaming, high-resolution video recording, and multitasking, all while maintaining better thermal control. By improving how heat is managed inside the chip, Apple aims to ensure that even under heavy loads, the iPhone 18 series remains cool, stable, and smooth. Essentially, users will be getting more performance with less energy consumption, a balance that has long been the holy grail of smartphone engineering. But performance isn't the only story here. The A20's advanced architecture could also revolutionize on-device AI processing. With Apple's growing focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning features in iOS, this new chip could dramatically boost how efficiently AI models run on the device. That means faster image recognition, smarter photo enhancements, better voice processing, and more intelligent system-wide automation, all handled directly on the iPhone, without relying as much on cloud-based computation. This early development cycle hints that the company is pushing its silicon roadmap aggressively to stay far ahead of competitors like Qualcomm and Samsung. The A20 chip might not just be an upgrade, it could be a major leap forward in Apple's entire hardware ecosystem, setting the tone for future Macs, iPads, and even the rumored AR devices. In summary, the iPhone 18 series could mark the beginning of a new era for Apple. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 18 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.